see. Cream of mushroom soup, like about 10 cans.
Okay, that's good.
But a couple of cans of cream of celery, huh?
Sure.
Maybe some hamburger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, hello.
Oh, hello. It's Marge Lundquist from Minnesota.
And Trudy Erickson here.
Good to see you. Yeah. Hey, we want to talk to you about something.
Oh,
We just got back from Texas last week.
Oh, yeah.
Visiting all of our relatives there, and we absolutely love going down there because it's hot and
We love our cousins.
toasty and it's deserty, and they got lots of good Mexican food, tons of tortillas and fresh chilies and stuff.
Yeah, and our cousins, they just are so full of what Texas is all about.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
They're great people. But you want to know what? I think they like to tease us because the first day that I was there, they said, "Oh, hey, Fargo, welcome back to Texas, Fargo." And I'm like, "What?
I'm not Fargo, no.
No." And I'm like, "Why are you calling me Fargo?"
Does Fargo have Paul Bunyan?
Well, they
It doesn't have
they
Babe.
said that we sounded like the movie Fargo.
Oh,
and I'm
yeah.
like, no way do we sound like we're from Fargo. But you know what? When Trudy and I got back from our trip,
We did research, yeah.
yeah, we did. We watched the CD of Fargo, and gosh darn tootin', if we don't sound like we're from Fargo, huh?
Yeah, and that was a murder movie. Okay, so
But you want to know what? People from Fargo sound like Minnesotans, so there.
they sure do.
Yeah.
And Minnesota, we got the Prono Pups and the fair and the Hotdish.
Yeah, Hotdish.
It's real important.
Yeah, I don't think they have Minnesota Hotdish in Fargo. I don't know what they have, but they don't have Minnesota Hotdish.
We got the Minnesota things here, and that's really important.
Yeah, we do. But you know what? If you want us to get rid of our Minnesotan accents, we can try. We can treat it like it's dough and knead the Fargo out of our accents.
Okay, we'll do that for you.
We will if you want us to, but if you want us to just be ourselves, just, leave a comment down there and tell us what you think.
Oh, sure. Well,
Yeah.
we'll look at those.
Yeah.
And any other ideas?
Yeah.
Sure.
Like maybe you got some ideas for some hot dish, but just don't be putting any strange things in the comments because we're not going to make anything with fish or organ meat or squid.
No squid.
No. So no
Okay.
funny stuff, huh?
Well, it's nice talking.
Yeah, nice talking to you.
You gotta go to grocery store.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, let's finish our list, huh?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Yeah. So I was thinking we could also get some bread. Oh, cucumbers too, and top it up. Oh, yeah. I'm thinking salad, like a hot dish salad.
Oh, yeah.